Welcome back to a step-by-step tutorial on how to test internet speed on your laptop. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your browser. You can use any browser of your choice, but in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. Then after you open up your browser, next thing you need to do is to make sure you come to the address bar right here and type in internet speed test and press enter key on your keyboard. It takes you to this particular page right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on run speed test. Then allow the speed test to completely run, just like what you see right here. So here we go. You have your results in a few seconds. So download rate here is 23.8, while the upload rate here is 38.4. This simply means that this internet speed of this PC is super low, and your latency here is 22 minutes, and the server is server location is going to be given, and your internet connection is super fast. It's as simple as that. If your internet connection is very slow, you will be given the result right here. It's as simple as that. You can run the test as many as possible just to be sure of your internet speed is accuracy. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.